So today, I had one trade today, one break even. Um, I'm finally back after almost a little more than a week off. Um, I was sick and came back from a weekend obligation. So um, there's that. So today it was just one break even trade, and came in today with a bullish relationship on TPO and CPR and cams. So all bullish relationships here. I'm putting less emphasis on the cams and the floor pivots now, and I'm putting more emphasis on just the TPO levels here. But they're all higher relationships, and it was opening up above range value CPR and H3. So pretty bullish open, bullish close on Monday. There's 7 a.m. news, and so my main plan was bullish trend, bullish open, opening above range value in H3. So I'll be looking to long any pullbacks. So mainly I was looking for um, any pullbacks into yesterday's high or yesterday close, or since it did open uh, above H3, I was looking for a dip into H3 to long. So I did follow my plan. There was a big morning drop here. It did not support at H3 at all, so I ignored that. And I was looking at yesterday's high, which is also around yesterday's close, to long, which I did, and then it just never really got to my target, and it came back down. So there's a big drop here, all the way through the morning, and then what I saw was that there was some big buyers coming in and buying imbalances coming in. So I see the buying imbalances here, and during this whole time for the drop, I was looking at this low here, which was this low, which was a hidden divergence here. I didn't want to put too much emphasis on that, but it was a hidden divergence. There also was, so I saw the space shape here. Right, so buying imbalances here, buying imbalances there, big buyers come in. I see that there is sort of a B shape here with the POC at the bottom. And so, another thing was that there was a 2-minute delta divergence here, negative 159, but candle closed higher. So I was looking at that, and I was looking for it to retest this B shape here, which it kind of does. Comes back down a little deep, but I see that it's forming another B shape here. So a lot of sellers here, a lot of selling going on, and the POC is over here, but it's not really breaking the lows or selling off. So I'm looking at that B shape forming, holding that first B shape. I would have liked it if this broke the lows here, but I don't think that happens. And so I'm still looking at this B shape. I'm wondering if it'll break under it, but it doesn't. It holds, so I enter with 2 contracts here with the stop under the lows. And I'm not too sure about this one. I mean, kind of gave it a try. I thought it was a decent B shape holding, so I liked it enough to take a position on it. And then suddenly a huge pop comes in, and it gets all the way to almost my target, which was 69.21. It got up to 69.19 and a quarter, so about 2 points away, and then started rejecting. And then after that, it just consolidated. It did hit 2R, about 2.6 R on that pop, but I didn't adjust my stop to break even because it never formed a higher low yet, and I wanted it to at least go to this low volume node here and then up to the highs. But then, so I didn't adjust my stop, and then I left it. I mean, the results would have been the same anyways, but I gave it a little bit more of a chance to do its thing. um, because I would have gone stopped out over here. I did go test it again, and then I actually stopped out over here on this dip, and I was really mad when it started rallying up again, but it seems like it just came back down and would have stopped me out at break even anyways. But yeah, it was a bunch of doing absolutely nothing. So I mean, plan partially worked out. It went for 2.6 R or so. Yeah, 2.64 R. So wasn't bad, but not quite what I wanted. I was looking for more of a continuation up. But tomorrow is FOMC, so should have kept that in mind. But not a bad attempt.